Sometimes I hear parents say they're doing a lot for their kids. And some of the things that they list would be cooking and cleaning, taking care of the house, and so on. Well, my opinion is if your professed parental duties can be replaced by a maid, you are not doing enough as a parent. If someone can come in for $20 an hour and completely replace all that you do for your kid, then you're a sucky parent. And this works the same way for marriages. I remember someone who was in a failing marriage, and his spouse at the time said, "All I do is cook and clean in the house," or whatever it is. And so I remember when he eventually left, we joked that, well, at least when they were married, she would get help to cook and clean. Now that they're divorced, she has to do all the cooking and cleaning herself. Now, which would have been better? Now, I know it's a complex issue. Divorce is a complex issue. But the point still remains. If at the forefront of your mind, you think your duties are maid related, perhaps it's time to reevaluate what you think you should be doing to your child and or family.